Zhejiang Longterm Medical Technology Company Limited is located in one of top 100 counties in China, 200 km from Shanghai and 30 km from Hangzhou, the commercial center of the nation. The company has been keenly focused on R&D, production and sales of high-end medical dressings since its founding in 2009. In 2011, we organized and established Longterm Medical US. Our goal and mission is to provide and promote best-in-class wound care products by developing better and more effective high-end medical dressings. In the past 3 years, Longterm has successfully passed many performance thresholds to gain CE marks, FDA registrations, ISO 13485 and ISO 9001 certifications by TUV. We hold more than 30 distinct national invention patents and intellectual properties, opening up a new era in the field of high-end medical dressings. We have gone all out to provide high-quality products and best practices for the medical field, based on our custom of hiring the best professional talent and owning high-end equipment. These two elements, coupled with our supplier partners, provide us with the core technologies used as the foundation for our continued development. The company has an R&D team comprised of multidisciplinary talents in the fields of organic and inorganic chemistry, polymer sciences, biological medicine, and clinical practices. We are equipped with A-class 100,000 cleanroom production area covering over 4,000 square meters, a microbiology lab, a physical performance testing room, and our own 10 square meter EO sterilization unit. We have partnered with several R&D companies in the US to design and develop state-of-the-art breakthrough products that are changing how the world treats and heals wounds today. As the saying goes, Rome wasn't built in a day, but by relying on a business model of foresight and insight, Longterm has continually advanced domestic and foreign technologies by constantly developing better and more functional high-end products adapted to the ever-changing demands of the healthcare market. At present, we have a series of 6 product lines. The skin of the human body is not only a defensive organ, but surprisingly, also an important respiratory organ. The skin contains subcutaneous sweat and sebaceous glands, which are used in the metabolism of a variety of substances. Therefore, a qualified transparent dressing with high permeability and good adhesive must be able to synchronize with the skin's ability to transpire effectively. Long-term IV cannula dressings are made of highly permeable polyurethane ultra-thin film and a special braceable hypoallergenic acrylic adhesive with special coating process. MVTR of our full coating is 1,800 gram per square meter per 24 hour per 37, while the MVTR of our grid coating is 3,000 gram per square meter per 24 hour per 37. Compared with similar products in the market, Longterm's IV cannula dressing series is one of the few that can be applied one-handed, reducing the workload of the medical staff, and it complies with a more aseptic operation. The color of our dressings are closer to normal skin tones, providing a better matte effect. The products are highly permeable, waterproof, transparent, comfortable, have no raw edges, inhibit bacterial invasion and last longer than others, convenient to apply and can be used for 5 to 7 days. After mastering the advanced technology of films and adhesives, Longterm researches and develops a wide variety of distinctive products, including window-style film dressing, highly permeable grid coating film dressing, PE foam dressing, hydrocolloid IV dressing, non-woven IV dressing, ultra-thin grid tracker traceable dressing, and so on. We provide better and more functional choices for clinical use. Long-term wound care series of products are made of spunless non-woven materials and highly permeable polyurethane films as our base materials, with special adhesive coatings, adsorbent pads, and release papers. Non-woven wound care products are divided into three types: spunless non-woven dressing, water repellent non-woven dressing, and composite waterproof non-woven dressing laminated with PU film. Hypoallergenic acrylic adhesives can be adherent for a long time and will not be fell off after washing. Both initial adherence and re-adherence are good, and edges do not tend to roll up as well. With a clinically oriented philosophy, Longterm Medical has designed and developed a variety of products for different types of wounds, including regular non-woven wound dressings, fingertip dressings, wrap-around style finger dressings, eye patches, drainage dressings, joint dressings, and anorectal dressings, waterproof non-woven dressings, transparent dressings, infant cord care navel dressings. With the advent of advanced wound care dressings and the proven effectiveness of providing a moist healing environment, Longterm Medical has developed a series of advanced wound dressings, each with a different objective, performance, and function. When applied and used properly, each type promotes more rapid epithelialization, playing an important role in rapid healing. These advanced wound care dressings with broader clinical application include hydrocolloid dressings, hydrogel dressings, foam dressings, alginate dressings, and a variety of antimicrobial dressings, impregnated with silver ions. In the 4 different stages of wound care, these different types of dressings will play an important and unique role in order to fulfill the mission of wound healing. With years of production experience, the advanced wound care dressings that Longterm Medical has developed and produced cover the full range of the dressing types required for all stages of wounds, from stage 1 to stage 4. Hydrocolloid dressings. Longterm Medical, as a pioneer of hydrocolloid research and production in Asia, has a number of patents. The hydrocolloid dressings with borders and extra-thin hydrocolloid dressings have powerful features, such as the rapid absorption of exudates, and they are waterproof, yet permeable and serve to help inhibit bacterial invasion. At the same time, hydrocolloid dressings keep the wound moist to promote better, more efficacious wound healing. Patients can change the dressing based on their own absorption situation. It is comfortable and convenient to use, plus it's easy to remove. Our product has good resilience and it's self-adhesive, but will not stick to the skin, causing secondary damage. Longterm Medical has a variety of hydrocolloid products, including hydrocolloid dressings with borders, hydrocolloids for the heel and elbow, hydrocolloids for the sacral area, extra-thin hydrocolloids, hydrocolloids with foam in regular or extra-thin versions, with or without borders, etc. We even make a hydrocolloid nasal catheter dressing in order to meet the very different clinical needs. Foam dressing. Foam dressings are one of most popular advanced dressings used in the process of wound healing, and they have a unique functional mechanism for promoting rapid healing. Foam dressings absorb exudates quickly and remove odor with their rich, porous structure. They also form a gelatinous layer around the wound, keeping it moist. We can also laminate a polyurethane film over the foam to provide a waterproof dressing, while still allowing for good permeability and helping to inhibit bacterial invasion. Foam dressings are also soft and resilient. In order to alleviate wound pressure, It's important to note that Longterm's foam dressing has a strong moisture locking function, allowing for rapid absorption of exudates in a single direction. Due to our demanding raw material selection, strict production process, and multifaceted testing protocols. In order to meet the various clinical needs of industry, Longterm has developed different types of foam dressings, including regular foam dressings laminated with PU film, foam dressings for heel and elbow, foam dressings for trache tubes, self-adhesive film dressings, and whatever else our clients require. Alginate dressing. Alginate dressing is an advanced dressing made from alginate fiber extracted from natural seaweed and coupled with calcium in a highly specialized manufacturing process. This product has its own unique features to cover and fill wound cavities. Comparison tests show that long-term alginate dressing has high absorbency, promoting calcium ions that activate prosthrombin, helping to effect rapid coagulation and clotting, leading to a better epithelialization. Calcium alginate forms a clear, silky smooth gel layer with good compliance and protects the nerve endings, reducing pain. Products include alginate dressings in a variety of sizes and alginate ropes for filling wound cavities. Hydrogel dressings. Long-term hydrogel products are made from highly absorbent polymer gel material. They help to remove necrotic tissue effectively, achieving autolytic debridement. Our hydrogel pad has good absorbency and is appropriate and applicable for different types of clinical wound care. Other products include hydrogel sheet dressings and hydrogel in tubes. Silver Iron Antimicrobial Dressings Series. Silver dressings are an antimicrobial dressing made of high absorbent synthetic polymer fibers, impregnated with silver ionic compounds. Using a special process, they have a strong inhibition to bacteria and a variety of microorganisms, continuously providing a bactericidal and antimicrobial protection lasting 5 to 7 days. They control wound infections effectively, blocking bacteria in the wound bed, while protecting the edges of the wound and promoting healing. There is little to no adhesion and less pain during dressing changes, and as a result, scarring is generally reduced. Meanwhile, based on clinical needs, using our silver iron technology in combination with other wound care dressings, Longterm has developed regular silver dressings, silver foam dressings, silver hydrochloride dressings, silver hydrogel dressing, silver alginate dressing, and several other combinations using silver ions. Silicone dressing. The application of our proprietary silicone dressing in the medical field is shaping the future of wound care dressings from treatment only to a combination of prevention and treatment. Relying on its leading research and development capabilities, Longterm has mastered this age-leading technology successfully and has become one of very few silicone dressing manufacturers in the world, and the only one in China. Longterm owns a number of silicone patents domestically, and we are in the process of protecting these intellectual property worldwide. Silicone foam dressings. Silicone foam dressings are able to absorb the wound mucosal exudates vertically without diffusion, reducing the risk of skin edema while keeping the wound at suitable temperature and humidity in order to promote more rapid healing. The feature of gentle and soft makes it more comfortable and resilient like a cushion. Our patented technology is not adhesive to the surface of the wound or skin, and can be removed and applied repeatedly, allowing for observation of the wound at any time. It is painless to remove, doesn't stick to body hair, leaves no residue, is waterproof, permeable, and can be used in the shower. According to clinical needs, Longterm has designed a number of different silicone adhesive products, including borderless, bordered, pediatric occipital, adult occipital, heel and elbow, sacral, scapular, and more. Silicone tape. Silicone tape is for external use and can be applied to fragile or otherwise challenged skin, such as chemotherapy patients, dialysis patients, and neonatal patients. It can also be used for external fixation and protection of various catheters, electrodes, and dressings. This product is waterproof, permeable, hypoallergenic, and repeatedly adhesive, with no skin damage. Scar dressing. Long-term scar dressing can soften the initial scar and prevent further proliferation of scarring. It shows powerful effectiveness in preventing scar formation. It should be used based on need and can be used repeatedly. For best results, use for 3 months continuously. In order to satisfy clinical needs and meet the needs of our customers, clinicians, and patients, Long-Term Advanced Dressing Series promotes more rapid wound healing, reduces pain, and lessens dressing change times. Ostomy bags are used when a diseased colon can no longer function normally in the elimination of bodily wastes, and surgical resection of the intestinal tract leads to the creation of a stoma on the abdominal surface. This type of opening allows for the elimination of these wastes, and ostomy bags collect these wastes discreetly, improve the patient's daily living routines, and enhancing their quality of life. Good ostomy care products should have many excellent features. Each stoma care product from Longterm has our excellent core technology, are made with first-class materials, and use our top-shelf designs. The hydrochloride barrier of our ostomy bag uses special formula we developed based on many years of experience with hydrochloride technologies. It has a good, long-lasting adhesive, yet is gentle to the skin. Hypoallergenic and non-reactive to digestive fluids. Our one-piece bags are for use between 5 and 7 days. Our composite co-extruded film consists of 5 layers, with low noise and no fragrance. We also use a highly efficient, activated carbon filters for diffusing gases, preventing odors. One two-piece system have easy-to-access rings for opening and closing the snap-tight rings, plus Velcro tabs for additional securement. They are much easier to open and close securely than most others. The patented design of the chassis enables the film between the snap-tight ring and barrier to remain in place longer, making for every secure system where the bag stays locked onto the barrier. We also offer an optional irrigation port, making bag washing more hygienic and convenient. Our special water-repellent non-woven material is soft and washable. The Long-Term Ostomy Care Series is a comprehensive product line that meets different clinical needs. It includes one-piece ostomy bags, one-piece transparent ostomy bags, extra-large barrier ostomy bags, pediatric ostomy bags, mini ostomy bags, two-piece ostomy bags, two-piece barriers, and a variety of ureostomy bags. We also offer a full range of ostomy accessories, including silicone ostomy rings, hydrochloride seal rings, hydrochloride paste strips, ostomy belts, skincare powder, ostomy pastes, measuring cards, wipes, urinary drainage connecting tubes, back clamps, patches, etc. Long-Term's skin-friendly Stoma Soft Ostomy Bag is a revolution product using the most advanced ostomy barrier and adhesive technology in the world today, silicone. This one-piece ostomy product is better able to achieve the functionality of the two-piece ostomy product's preservation capability and a cleaning function, but it works better. At the same time, it avoids the discomfort of the two-piece clasp system, with a much more comfortable skin-friendly feeling not afforded by any other type of barrier. The product does not irrite the skin, is hypoallergenic, uses a patented adhesive layering technology, has good permeability, and helps prevent peristomal skin scar formation. It is washable, can be disinfected, and is actually reusable, significantly reducing costs. It is removed painlessly and will not stick to body hair. It can be used repeatedly for up to 15 days total. There is an observation window for easy viewing of the stoma while the product is being worn, replacing the need of two-piece ostomy bags completely. The StomaSoft line of silicone adhesive products includes one-piece StomaSoft ostomy bags, one-piece transparent StomaSoft ostomy bags, male pediatric StomaSoft bags, female pediatric StomaSoft bags, convex barrier StomaSoft bags, and a mini StomaSoft ostomy bag. Longterm Medical cares deeply about ostomy patients and will continue to innovate with new technology and advanced designs, continuously leading in the development of ostomy care products that make a difference in the way people live. With the aging of our population, the insistence of incontinence is increasing, and dermatitis and pressure ulcers of the perineum and sacral areas of the body can be problematic, compromising skin integrity and overall health. Not only do patients suffer physiologically, but also psychologically because of fear and embarrassment. Disposable pads and adult diapers have more of a chance to cause pressure ulcers, and using disposable balloon catheters for fecal waste is complicated and difficult to manage well. In order to better address these types of issues, Longterm Medical has created and designed a variety of safe and easy-to-use incontinence care products. Our product line includes fecal incontinence care products, male incontinence products, as well as the first female urinary collection bag product in the world. Fecal incontinence bag. 1. Before using, prepare the skin. 2. Have the patient lie in a prone position on their side. 3. Peel the release paper. 4. Open the buttocks so that the anus is fully exposed and affix the collection bag so that the opening encircles the anal opening and press down tightly. 5. Peel off the release papers 2 and then 3 in order, exposing the adhesive side and affixing around the anus. Pressing for 1 to 3 minutes, especially near the perineum. The collection bag needs to be applied properly in order to be leak-free. 6. Check to see that the bag is secured well to the skin and that the hole in the bag lines up with the anal cavity to ensure stool enters the bag successfully. The best female urinary incontinence drainage bag in the world. 1. First, clean and dry the vulva, especially the skin and mucosal membranes around the urethra. 2. Peel off and remove the release paper around the connector. Remove the hydrochloride stripes from the package and wrap them about 2 mm higher than the interface of the connector. Then peel the release paper on both sides of the device. 3. Separate the legs and labia minora in order to fully expose the urethra. 4. Attach the connector with hydrochloride strip around the urethra and affix the hydrochloride strip to the skin and mucous membranes on both sides of the labia minora and perineum. Then apply the adhesive portion of the collection bag to the labia and inner thigh on both legs. 5. Make sure to plug the valve at the end of the drainage bag. 6. Double-check the connection. This special trumpet design is easy to fit the urethra. The unique hydrochloride protection strip adhered to the inside of the labia minora works to protect mucous membranes, preventing leakage by forming a gel layer, sealing most effectively. Male urinary incontinence drainage bag. 1. Clean, disinfect and dry the penis and genital skin. 2. Peel off the release paper 1 from the permeable foam strip. Wrap the adhesive foam strip around the base of the penis. Then peel the release paper 2 from the foam strip. 3. Put the rubber condom connection on the penis and roll it up to the exposed adhesive on the foam strip. 4. Check for proper adhesion and make sure it's secure. The special design of this double-sided adhesive foam strip is soft, comfortable, and permeable, helping to prevent the occurrence of dermatitis on the penis and glands. The urinary collection bag has an anti-reflux valve, effectively reducing the risks of urinary tract infections. Wound closure. In daily life, patients can be bothered by small wounds caused by punctures, lacerations, or incisions after surgery, which can lead to scars. With the progression of medical technology, Longterm Medical has taken the lead in developing and producing wound closure strips, which help to securely seal wounds and inhibit scarring caused by these types of wounds. Wound closure strips use high-tensile, highly permeable non-woven fabric, with reinforced fibers as the base material. When then apply medical-grade acrylic adhesive to the strips for securement, they can be used for 5 to 7 days before needing to be replaced. Medical studies show that during post-operative wound recovery, using wound closure strips will reduce the chance of infection and scarring, promoting faster, better healing. Hydrochloride wound bandage and hydrochloride foot paste. Longterm Medical focuses on the details of life. We have developed new styles and variable shapes of hydrochloride bandages and foot plasters in order to meet the healing needs of all kinds of small wounds and foot care issues. Long-term hydrochloride bandages do not have any pharmaceutical ingredients. The inner layer is adhesive hydrochloride or hydrogel, which accelerates wound healing while providing a moist healing environment. The outer layer is a highly permeable polyurethane film, which is waterproof and occlusive to dirt, yet breathable and comfortable. This product won't fall off during use, giving you one less thing to worry about. Acne paste. As you may know, acne is a chronic infection caused by the blockage of pores, usually caused by excess secretion of the sebaceous glands. Once the pores are blocked, if the excess fluids are forced out by squeezing, the pores are permanently enlarged and form pockmarks on the skin. Longterm Medical has developed an acne care plaster product which is just right for skin with this condition. Long-term acne plasters are made of hydrochlorides, which provide significant absorption capacity, allowing the plaster to take up inflammatory secretions of the sebaceous glands quickly. At the same time, they create a moist environment, which accelerates wound healing, reduces swelling, and leaves the skin smooth, without leaving scars. Longterm Medical provides different sizes of plasters, ensuring a correct size for all acne infections. Acne outbreaks will be less noticeable while using our product too, due to the fact that it's the same color as skin. Currently, the acne plasters can be found in convenience stores, supermarkets, and OTC pharmacies, bringing you relief from acne and a new way forward in this life. Longterm, in order to better serve the global market, has developed medical dressings and products of various kinds and specifications, according to a variety of clinical requirements. We provide global OEM services, which have remarkably improved working efficiency in medical institutions. We believe that quality is the foundation for development and survival of an enterprise that wants to be the best. Towards that end, Longterm has adhered to strict controls on quality. We firmly believe in and practice process control throughout our product's life cycle, from cradle to grave. We meticulously observe GMPs in accordance with internationally recognized standards, as evidenced by our ISO 13485 and other certifications. Longterm understands the business concept of being market-oriented and has established sales networks in markets across China. It also has distribution networks established in North America, South America, the Middle East, Europe, Southeast Asia, and Australia. We are favored by distributors for being responsive to their needs, realizing mutual benefits with their customers. Longterm advocates advanced human capital management protocols by engaging in job training mechanisms designed to enhance the various activities of our employees. We seek to provide broad growth and development space for our employees in order to build and maintain an extremely vigorous and powerful team of people committed to helping us be the best we can be. Longterm will give full play to our own advantages of hard work and discipline, integrate our powerful technologies, and grasp the strategic opportunity of rapid economic development for our enterprise in order to create a world-class production company of medical products.